What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Skills Gambino and this is Gambino Reacts, and today we are checking out NoNa's HONK. This video just dropped 8 hours ago. But before we get started, if you haven't checked out my previous reaction to NoNa's Lullaby, I'll leave a card on the top and I'll leave this video in the description down below. Roll the intro. So I'm super excited. You guys been telling me, yo, pay attention, it's coming soon. And we here. Alright, so I'm excited. I know you guys are excited. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Look at me, look at her, pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, toasted, buckle up out of here. Yeah, we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi, never pass me, ready, set, go. Get on the encore. Get on the encore. Get on the encore.
Yo, hold up, bro. Hold up. This shit is like super fun right now, bro. Like, it's yo, NoNa.
Get on the encore. Get on the encore. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Got that junk in the trunk and we make it bounce. Tropical days with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face and I always got my way. Bumping that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. NoNa on the license plate. Gaga, I bet. Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long. Get on the encore. Get on the encore. Get on the encore.
Oh man, that was super clean. That was fire. I like that. I like this. I'm gonna tell you one thing that NoNa does very fucking well. NoNa, one thing I love about NoNa is that they don't need a freaking extremely crazy budget to make a banger, right? The music videos be simple as hell, but it's like you cannot deny these girls are talented. Like every single one of them, vocals, rapping, dancing, like there's it's super simple and it's clean, right? All these little montages, moments, right? Like shit like this when this is simple and they make it look so good. There is no way that these girls are not blowing up the way they are, right? They are like, yo, I can't even talk because the song is simple. The beat is catchy, it's dancey. I could see this because like I said, I live in New York, right? If you play this in a gay parade, I guarantee you're gonna have a bunch of people doing Vogue. Okay? This song makes you wanna just get up and just start moving around and start dancing. It's so fun. I'm adding this to my Spotify playlist. It's so fun. This song it's catchy. The beat switched up a little bit, but then it went back. It's them, right? The music video is simple. I love it. There's no big budget. There's no crazy effects. I love that. NoNa, this was a 10 out of 10. I love everything about this group. Like, come on. they look at them. It look like they just have fun. Like you cannot deny like these girls are just having fun, bro. Yeah. So if you like my reaction, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what city, state, or country you're watching from, and I'll give you guys a shout out in my next video. Also, I'll be going live on Kick at 7:30 p.m. Uh, tonight I'll be reacting to some dance practices. So if you want to go check those out, I'll leave all my Kick information in the description down below, so you guys could come vibe out. And yeah, without further ado, thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.